Welcome to 2026, guys, and what we'll be doing is getting this car on the road in the next couple of months, weeks, months, more like it. There's a few things that we have to do, like get my cluster back, finish up some of the wiring that I have ripped apart, and basically install the interior. This car was once upon a time ready to go, and then just hiccups just pushed it back, and things just got worse over time. Mainly it's the O2 sensor, but other than that, everything should be good, and hopefully I'll be able to get this on the road. I've got some leftover chocolates over there. Little things that require fixing, like the bumper, which is, I'm pretty sure this got like filler behind it. Scuffs. We do have our center exhaust, but I feel like I have to paint this outer rim. I'm not too sure, but I've got cobwebs everywhere, so I'm gonna start this up and then bring it over to get some work done at the paint shop. Nothing too major, but just really a solid clean is what it needs. Solid clean. The iconic B18C7. So leave me to that, but I haven't been doing this for a really long time, so let's try to get some momentum back into these vlogs. Thing smells like it's running so rich right now, and it sounds really gnarly and aggressive. I love it. Space out that area a bit. It's rattling a little bit on the exhaust. We're gonna fix up this clear, this run. I'm not sure you guys see it. All right.
Mad exhaust. This is got all butchered and stuff.
So basically, I've been going at this. I've got a blade, simple blade. Mask off the edges so that way you don't dig too deep, and then just go one direction. And what we're just doing is just skimming off the top. And like I said, if you're a good enough painter, then you wouldn't get this. I'm kidding. I think everyone goes through runs, but block it just around a bigger area, and then we'll polish it. Basically, nice and easy. 1500, 2000. I don't think I'm going to go more than 2000. I'm not that OCD. Runs, and that's it. Should be relatively okay. Super hot outside at the moment. Do not like being in the sun. I don't mind being in the sun. I just don't want to get blacker than I am. I'm pretty black for an Asian. Happy with that one. So on to the next, which is this one. Paint job's not the best. Neither is this, but budget-wise, works out really well. So if you guys want to see how I did that, probably look at the older videos, and I'll start building up that content again. I'm still bummed out that we deleted all the footage that we had. It kind of put me off vlogging for a bit, as you guys could tell. Time flies. Alright, back into it. Let's go. So, if you can see it, the bottom of it, it's like water drops. So it's not just one area, it'll just flow down. So probably a little bit more, and then we can start cracking on that one. So we had some leftover black paint, saw some rust in there, so I just went over it. Look at that, all these rails and stuff like that. Gurneyed it, but some of the paint came off. Really annoying, but it's okay. Also, painted these bolts, all these chrome bolts, so it looks a lot better now. So Little things, little things. Bits of paint coming off. We'll fix that in the future. So I've got runs everywhere. There's one there. Trying to see it. There. Got one there. Might as well chase that. I did take off this when I painted it. I just pretty much painted over it. Any more runs? Not that I can see. So another one.
So I was driving the car and I was like, make sure we strap down the bonnet and whatnot. And I hit a bump and it fucking snapped. So I fucking damaged my bonnet, both sides, and I've cracked my windscreen. Any roof damage? No, but fucking what a waste of money. Seriously, the worst. My God. Happy New Year, guys. So this is what it looks like. Oh my Lord.
Here's the clothes. In Melbourne, it was like 42. I think it got higher than that. But like you guys saw, I smashed my front windscreen. I even latched it down and everything, but yeah. Look how bad it is. And I end up damaging my bonnet. But we're gonna figure out what is actually damaged, so whether or not we can use to dented there, and it seems like it's a little bit bent somewhere, but I've got to figure out whether or not I can still use this for roadworthy. But basically, is the roof damaged? No, roof does not look damaged, which is a relief. But look at that, damaged the hump. So I think this bonnet is just basically a spare bonnet now. Gonna bend these back. Bloody, now you want to tie on. Absolutely stupid. Alright, I spent the day going through all the chips and everything for the paint and catching everything, and now this happens. So I'm just gonna bend these corners back as best as possible, just so it looks a little bit better. There we go. That's somewhat straight. And then I'll see if I can close it. And then if luck is on my side, we could probably get this roadworthy as is, but minus the windscreen. There, that way. That's one part, and then this bit's dented, so I'll put something underneath there and I'll see if I can push it up. So I'll place a block of wood under there and see if I can just get it slightly up. And that's okay, but I think what we've happened is we've bent that whole arm, so I've got to come up with a solution for that. Maybe we'll bend it back. Oh, damn it, I think I scratched my engine bay. No, put that there and I'll see if I can pull it down just to reshape it. This whole area is like all warped. There we go. I think that's okay. And let's do the other side. Let's just see. So I'm playing with one hand at the moment. I reckon we can get there. Alright, let's do the other side bit by bit. I reckon we've got this. We can save this. Alright, so
Forgot that. Oh, look at that. Oh, panel beater. There we go. Mostly in place. One here. Ah, that feels like a glove. Just gonna fix it. I think they'll pass. It's just like that. I've seen worse before, so I haven't got enough weight. Maybe we can stand on it. Maybe we stand on it. I'm not young anymore. This is sketchy as careful. There we go. This side's a little bit lower, but then I can just use those rubber bushes, whatever like that, mount it back in place. Still a little bit higher. So far so good. Like if you squint, it'll look alright. I think if you squint with all my cars, it will look alright. But alright, so one problem averted. But windscreen has to get replaced. I've got a quote today for like 380. I don't know if that's the new rate or if that's just getting rorted. But yeah, 280 so far. So 380. So if it's like 280, I think that's fair, especially for my stupidity. So I'm just gonna put a car cover over the car, and that way, if the weather does change, I don't really have to panic. But all right. Oh well. How's that, guys? Alright, that's done.